Excuse me, my suitcase didn't show up.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What flight were you on?
Flight 325 from Chicago.
Okay, let me check the system for you.
I've been waiting for 30 minutes.
I understand. Please stay calm. We'll sort this out.
My suitcase is black with a red tag.
Got it. Any name tag or sticker on it?
Yes, my name's Jason.
Thank you. I'll enter that in the system.
I really need it soon. There's something important inside.
I understand. What kind of items are in there?
My laptop and some documents.
Okay, we'll mark it as urgent.
How long will it take to find it?
Usually within 24 hours.
That's too long.
I know. I'm really sorry.
Could it be on another flight?
It's possible. That happens sometimes.
Can I get an update later?
Yes, of course. We'll call or email you.
Do you need my address?
Yes, please. We'll deliver your bag once we find it.
Will I have to pay for delivery?
No, it's free of charge.
Okay. I hope it's not lost forever.
Don't worry. Most bags are found quickly.
I still feel nervous.
That's totally understandable. We'll take care of it.
Do you think someone took it by mistake?
Could be. We'll check the CCTV.
What should I do now?
Please fill out this lost baggage form.
Okay. Will I get a report number?
Yes, here it is. Keep it safe.
Can I call this number anytime?
Yes, 24/7. Someone will always answer.
Thank you for helping.
Of course, I'm really sorry for the trouble.
I'll wait for your call.
We'll contact you soon. Have a good day.
Thanks. Hope my bag comes back soon.
Hi, I want to ask about the driving test.
Sure. Is this your first time applying?
Yes, it is.
Okay. You'll start with a written test.
What's on the written test?
Traffic rules, signs, and safety questions.
How many questions?
About 40. You need 80% to pass.
Can I take it online?
Yes, but you must schedule an appointment.
What about the road test?
You take it after passing the written test.
Do I need to bring my own car?
Yes, if you don't have one, we can rent a car for you.
How much does the rental cost?
Around $50 for the test.
What do they test in the road test?
Parking, turning, and obeying traffic signs.
Any tips for beginners?
Relax, drive slowly, and check mirrors often.
Do I need an appointment for the road test?
Yes, schedule it after passing the written test.
Can I practice at the DMV?
No, you must practice elsewhere.
Okay, thanks. I don't have a car yet.
Don't worry. We'll help you rent one for the test.
That's great. I feel better now.
Good. Bring your documents and we'll guide you.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Hi, I'd like to return the speaker.
Sure, no problem. Do you have the receipt?
Yep, right here.
Thanks. May I ask what's wrong with it?
It just won't turn on.
Did you try charging it?
Yeah, I did. Still nothing.
Got it. Do you want a refund or exchange?
I'd rather get a refund, please.
Sure thing. How did you pay for it?
Credit card.
Okay, I'll put it back on your card.
Sounds good. Do I need to sign anything?
Yeah, just right here on the screen.
All done.
Perfect. The refund should show in 2 to 3 days.
Great. Thanks for your help.
No problem at all. Sorry it didn't work out.
That's okay. I'll look for another one later.
Sounds good. Have a nice day.
Hi, I want to drop off some clothes.
Sure. How many pieces?
5. 3 shirts, 1 jacket, and 1 dress.
Any stains or special care?
Yes, this white shirt has a coffee stain.
Got it. We'll pre-treat that.
The blue shirt smells a bit.
We can do a deep clean.
The jacket has a small oil spot on the sleeve.
We'll take care of it.
The dress just needs a light cleaning.
Sure. Light wash only.
1 shirt has a red wine stain.
We'll treat that carefully.
How long will it take?
Tomorrow after 5 p.m.
Can I pay when I pick up?
Yes, that's fine.
How much will it cost?
$28 for all 5 pieces.
Great. Can you make sure the jacket doesn't shrink?
Yes, we'll use the right method.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
Hey, do you have this jacket in small?
Let me see. What size is that one?
It's medium. A bit loose on me.
Got it. I'll check in the back.
Thanks. Oh, is it on sale?
Yeah, 20% off this week.
Nice. Love the color, by the way.
Here you go. Found a small.
Awesome. Can I try it on?
Sure thing. Fitting rooms are right over there.
Cool. Be right back.
No rush. Take your time.
This one fits way better.
Looks great on you.
Thanks. I'll take it.
You got it. Apple Pay okay?
Yeah, that works.
Need a bag?
Yes, please. Paper one.
Sure. Tag off?
Yeah, I'll wear it now.
Great choice. Have a good one.
Hi, I want to apply for a credit card.
Sure. Do you have an account with us?
No, I don't have any account here.
That's fine. You can still apply.
Great. What do I need to bring?
You'll need a government ID and proof of income.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, if you have a social security number, bring that too.
Got it. What counts as proof of income?
Pay stubs, tax returns, or a letter from your employer.
Okay. Which card would you recommend?
Our gold card is popular. You earn points on every purchase.
How do the points work?
You can redeem points for gift cards, travel, or shopping discounts.
Nice. Is there a yearly fee?
$49 per year. First year is free.
Any bonus offers right now?
Yes, 5,000 bonus points if you apply this month.
How long does approval take?
Usually 3 to 5 business days.
Do I sign anything today?
Yes, just this application form.
All right. Can I fill it out here?
Of course. Take your time.
Okay. I finished.
Perfect. We'll call you when your card is ready.
Great. I'll bring my documents tomorrow.
Sounds good. See you tomorrow. Hi, can I talk to you about something?
Sure. What is it?
The noise from your apartment is very loud at night.
Oh, really? I didn't think it was my place.
I thought so too, but it's been happening a lot.
Maybe it's the apartment next door.
I checked. Other neighbors said it's quieter for them.
Are you sure it's from my unit?
It seems like it, mostly in the evening around 9 or 10 p.m.
Maybe my kids were playing music then.
Could you ask them to lower the volume?
Yes, I'll talk to them tonight.
Sometimes the noise lasts over an hour.
That's too long. I'll make sure it stops earlier.
The bass is also stronger than normal.
I see. I'll check the volume settings.
I just need quiet to sleep.
I understand. I'll handle it tonight.
Thanks. That helps a lot.
You're welcome.